What's up, y'all? We're back in the garage. I decided to do the battery first before I do anything else on this thing. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just switch out the battery. It's pretty basic, but here it is. What's up, y'all? It's Swag Stunts. I got my new stickers. If y'all want some of these, they're $1 a piece. You can hit me up on the Cash App, PayPal, whatever. Send me your address and I'll send them out to you. This Grom had a lot of weird wiring going on. I think it's just this little charger up here. I don't know if it even works or if I should have it on here. But it should definitely have a switch in between, possibly, you know, just to cut power so that way it's not draining the battery. I don't know if it's because my kid was playing with the lights so much or if it was just because something was draining it or just a bad battery. But I got a new battery. I'm gonna put it in here. We're gonna take this one out. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna try to unscrew this. This bolt is just janked in here, all sideways. All right, we got it. I think. Oh, that's horrible. There it is. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty messed up there. All right. Got the main power right there. Got it disconnected. Well, it did go back in, so at least maybe I can still make this functional for my kids' Barbie Jeep. It's not gonna be a Barbie Jeep when he gets it. Alright. What was that? Little thingy that this goes into. The little nut. Alright, 3 things. Pull this bad boy on out of here. Take our nice disgusting rag. Clean up some more nice disgusting stuff. I will not know where I put that in a minute. Watch.
Sorry, but I agree with her, dude. No pow-pows when I'm around, I'm the real deal, fool. I take a trip to Scrape City at least once a week. Old people in my neighborhood trying to have some meat.
Alright, so I'm deciding I'm gonna go ahead and hook this back up. Back in place. So we're just gonna take this new battery, slide it in here, and we're gonna hook her up.
I know you heard about me, got some pretty things around me. Wanna be my backpack? I said you down to pop some wheelies in the summer heat. The streets get chilly. I think you know the dilly. You want beef? You want beef? I serve you up in Philly.
You always gotta make sure you get it on the right side as well. My Harley, we didn't know what was wrong with it, and long story short, O'Reilly's gave the guy a battery that was indeed would work, but the problem was that the terminals were on the wrong side, and it only goes in one way. So it was interesting to find out that this is exactly what I'm talking about. The terminals are on the wrong side. This is the negative, this is the positive. Positive needs to go here. Negative needs to go all the way over here, but it won't reach. So we might have an issue here, honestly. We don't have an issue with that because we have handy dandy magnet on the ceiling. I thought we had a problem. No problem here. There's a Phillips head bit. It's crazy. Alright. I hope this will reach.
No pow pows when I'm around, I'm the real deal, fool. I take a trip to Scrape City at least once a week.
And it will. Maybe that's the way it was supposed to be, and I didn't know it.
But all the kids in the neighborhood, they
Either
love
way.
me. I'm Malcolm in the middle, you can love or hate me.
Yeah, I think that's the way it was supposed to be anyways. I'm just slow. Alright, so we're getting this battery in here.
I know you heard about me. Swag. I know you heard about me. Swag. I know you heard
Positive, negative, Ghost Rider.
about me. Swag.
Just don't want this coming off again, you know?
About me. Swag. I know you heard about me. Swag. I know you heard
Stays
about me.
here.
Got some pretty things around me. Wanna be my backpack? I said you down to pop some wheelies in the summer heat. The streets get chilly. I think you know the dilly. You want beef? You want beef? I serve you up a Philly. God over everything. Life is a blessing. I'm out here in these
It's working.
streets without
Cool.
no Smith and Wesson. I ain't stressing. I'm good in my city. Stunting through the hood. I feel like I grew up in the city. Can't swag. I know you heard about
Honestly, that's a great idea because it's also like a lock washer. That means that thing's not gonna come loose. And that's good. The worst thing is like you're out riding, you lose power, and you're like stranded and yeah. I don't want to talk about getting stranded because not very happy about the R3. It's a sad day. Still sad. Push down hard so that the washer pushes in. It connects. You can see the nut rising up. And make sure this goes in here good. The way I need it. Tighten her down. Beautiful. That ain't going nowhere. Cool. Alright. Those are just are what they are. That's suspicious. I hope my seat goes back on. Let's check the seat, y'all. See if I can get it back off too after.
Well, that's it, y'all, for the battery install on the Grom. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe it helped somebody. Just wanted to say, stay safe out there. Have a blessed night. Take it easy, y'all. See you on the next one.
Swag. I know you heard about me. Swag. I know you heard about me. Swag.